Good morning, students. Today we are going to show you transformation of energy in certain cases. Now we have already done in energy, potential energy and kinetic energy. We have seen some various other types of energy also. All the notes have been sent to you. Now these are certain cases where energy is converted from one form to the other form. What are those forms in which energy is converted? You have to identify them and write over here. So I am doing some of them for you so that you can understand how the energy changes are taking place in these cases. So let us begin. Suppose now all of you look at the board. Part A, unwinding of a watch spring. So in the spring is coiled. So it has potential energy. So it will make the watch run. So potential energy will be converted to kinetic energy. First case, potential energy to kinetic energy. Now in the second case, a car going uphill. Uphill means it is ascending. It's going up. So car going uphill means it is moving from before. So it has kinetic energy. So kinetic energy to, as it goes up, it gains height. So it has potential energy. So kinetic to potential energy. Next, photosynthesis in green leaves. So photosynthesis done after having the light, that is sunlight. So we will write over here light energy to chemical energy. Next is charging of a battery. Charging of a battery is not same as using the battery. Charging of a battery, you know, you have to put the wire on the plug and then the battery draws the current or draws electricity and some chemical energy takes place. So it is electrical energy into chemical energy. Next come respiration. When you respire, what you are taking in oxygen, breathing out carbon dioxide. So what is respiration? There is a chemical change which is taking place when you respire. So and what you are breathing out, that is hot air. So heat is coming out. So it is chemical energy to heat energy. Next one, burning of a matchstick. So when you burn a matchstick, there is chemical energy. Now when the stick burns, heat is produced. So it is chemical energy to heat energy. And at the same time, some amount of light energy is also produced. But the main transformation of energy is chemical energy to heat energy. You can write also chemical to light and heat energy. Next we come to explosion of crackers. So during Kali Puja you fire crackers or you burst crackers. What do? There is chemical energy taking place and at the same time you hear a sound. So it is chemical energy to sound energy. And sometimes light is also seen. So chemical energy to sound and light energy. In loudspeaker, loudspeaker means the speaker through which sound comes out. So in that case, the sound is traveling through wires from the microphone. If you think about the process, in the front of the microphone the speaker is speaking, that sound is traveling through wires, and that is electrical energy. Now electrical energy is coming through wires and producing sound in the loudspeaker. So the conversion is electrical energy to sound energy. Some more process I will show you, some certain other cases also I will show you. So let me rub out the board first and then right over there. So you see, I have written some other examples or some other cases where you have to write again the transformation of energy taking place. Now when you do these things, first think and then write. So what energy it is having from before, and then it is converting to what energy. You must apply your brain. So let us do now steam engine. Steam engine burns coal and then it raises steam. So with the help of heat. So heat energy it has. It is having heat energy. Now the engine will run. So it will move. So that means heat energy to mechanical energy. Next we come to microphone. Microphone means you are speaking in front of the microphone and then the microphone is connected to a wire and then it goes to the loudspeaker. So microphone, you are talking means you are producing sound. So sound energy, and then through wire the sound travels to electrical energy. So sound to electrical energy. Next we have washing machine. What we do in the washing machine? We wash clothes. So how is the machine working? It is drawing current from the plug. So it is converting electrical energy into the machine is working means into mechanical energy. So it is electrical energy to mechanical energy. Next we come to a glowing electric bulb. That means the bulb which is glowing, it is giving us light. So a bulb will obviously glow after drawing current. So it will consume electrical energy and then convert it into light energy. So it is electrical energy to light energy. You can say over here some amount of the heat is also generated. So but in all bulbs heat is not generated. Nowadays we don't use that normal bulb, glass bulb, that is incandescent bulb. We are using LED or CFL or tube light, fluorescent tube. So they are not getting so much heat. They are not generating so much of it. So it is electrical energy to light energy. Next, biogas burner. Now what is biogas? You know that the leaves, that gobar gas and all, or gobar and all decompose, and then from there a gas is created. That is gobar gas. So when they are decomposing, chemical energy is taking place. They are taking the decomposing by chemical energy. So chemical energy is converted to, what are you getting from the burner? You are getting heat. So chemical energy to heat energy. Next, an electric cell in a circuit. Electric cell in a circuit means the cell is drawing current. So it is giving you current. So what we do, electric cell in a circuit means it is chemical energy to electrical energy. It is giving electric current after some chemical reaction within it. So chemical energy into electrical energy. Next we come to an electric toaster. So in toaster what do? You toast bread or you toast something else. So how are you toasting it? With the help of heat. So you are getting heat from there. But how is the electric toaster working? It is connected to a plug, so it is drawing electric current. So that means it is converting electrical energy to heat energy. Lastly, an electromagnet used in electric bell, used in various other devices, that is telephone, in your radios, everywhere, transformers. Electromagnet, we take the help of electromagnet. So what we are doing over there, we are taking electric current and converting it into magnetic energy. So it is electrical energy to magnetic energy. There are many other cases where you have to identify the energy changes, or you have to state the transformation of energy over there. Now in all this transformation of energy, law of conservation of energy has to be followed. But in certain cases it cannot be followed due to degradation of energy, for which I have given you notes. What is degradation of energy? That is when we convert some useful energy to other forms of energy, a bit of energy is wasted in the form of heat due to friction. So that we cannot take into account. But according to law of energy, conservation of energy, if those energy would have been counted, then energy is neither created nor destroyed. It can only be converted from one form to the other. So this is all about today. So I hope you have understood and you get prepared for other cases also that may also come. It's not that the things which I have done only that will come. Depending on this, you have to write. Okay.